Ooh, new portable systems. Time for a method from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And today we're going to talk about some pretty damn awesome stuff again. It's time for a new portable system from a friend from China. It's finally here. It's the X9S. The family, the X family is going to evolve, it's going to grow bigger. They are going to release some new stuff. So let's talk about it before I'm going to order it. It comes with two little joysticks. Ooh. We're having three colors. The black one, the white one, but I'm going to order the blue one. It's not very expensive. I'm very curious what are we going to get, so oh man, I need to get one. Alright, let's do a little bit of scrolling and let's check out together what are we going to get. One generation upgraded, second generation X9 completely free of charge. Completely free of charge. Yeah, right. Alright, upgrade dual rocker game machine. Upgrade with crystal keys. Upgrade with 10,000 games. You can see a little bit of a comparison. This is the old version indeed, and with the new version. So they did a lot of changes. Shoulder buttons. Looks very nice. First fan I noticed this video, or better said, there was somebody who dropped a link, and first I was checking it out. I was thinking, nah, this is like this PS Vita clone that I did years ago. But no, it's really a new version. They're still making new versions. It's a freaking invasion. So, I'm very curious. Did they upgrade the screen? This is some of the questions I'm still having. Alright, we're having dual rockers, but of course, yeah. I can already tell you it will not be like in PS Vita or in PSP, because it's just a cheap device. Let's see. Yeah, we already know that we have dual rockers. We got a left rocker and a right rocker. We're gonna rock your world. It's got a more powerful CPU or new generation. And I'm guessing that we have better performance. This version supports even PlayStation 1. Alright. So, in the previous version, I did a lot of extended testing and I found out a lot of problems like emulation, horrible emulation, crappy, it's just a nightmare. So I'm very curious, what are we going to get? PlayStation 1, is it going to run good, or do we still have the 3D problem or 3D games problem that the Tekken 3, for example, is running like shit? Alright, this is what we're going to get, people. I am excited, I hope you are. Let me know what you think of this, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel and become one of the Wicked family. And hit the little bell. And well, if you're into gaming, check out my gaming channel. I make